Welcome, fellow seekers of self-discovery. Today, we embark on a whimsical journey through the realms of fun shadow work, through a delightful, whimsical approach that invites us to confront our inner shadows with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of playfulness. As an expert in the field, I'm here to guide you on this light-hearted path of self-exploration. Now, picture this. You are sat right there where you are right now with a big afro rainbow wig and an oversized pair of sunglasses, tackling your deepest fears with a Nerf sword. Now, this fun shadow work encourages us to tap into our inner goofball and embrace the power of laughter as we face our shadows head on. So throw on a clown nose and let the giggles be your guide. Now, in the realm of fun shadow work, we turn our shadows into dance partners. We playfully tango with our fears, waltz with our insecurities, and chat with our self-doubt. Now, by infusing humor into the process, we are disarming the seriousness of our shadows and create a space for beautiful transformation to take place. Now, whilst we may be on the floor laughing, during all of the shadow work that's going on, it's not just about the chuckles, of course, but by embracing our inner silliness, we uncover hidden beliefs and experiences that have shaped our shadows. So through this playful exploration, we fit together the puzzle pieces of our psyche, leading to greater awareness and personal growth. In the grand tapestry of personal development, fun shadow work adds a vibrant thread of joy and authenticity. And by integrating humor into our journey, we not only lighten the weight of our shadows, but we also cultivate a deep sense of self-acceptance. And when we can laugh at our quirks and imperfections, we embrace our true self and radiate genuine authenticity in all areas of our lives. So, my dear adventurers of the heart and mind, let us embark on this merry quest of fun shadow work together. So embrace your inner comedian, dance with your shadows, and find the laughter that illuminates the path to self-discovery. Now remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the playful and transformative journey. So get ready to laugh, grow, and shine.